I've got old Yale smart lock that's coming off. And we're putting in a Nuki with some Salto pads. Cut out the hero here, cut out for the handle here, just got to cut out for Euro and saw a little hacksaw here, saw between the two for the Euro to be in there, and that the outside plate, that's from SASHSTOP. I'm going to be giving them measurements, so in future I'll have this plate for that particular Yale lock. At this stage, put the cylinder into a normal position. I've got this lovely little system here where you can move this up and down, the bottom fixing. Just get it to line up nicely. This is the internal handle. Cut this handle out as well, just so it fits. So it covers up the hole at the top of the door. Yeah, we'll get that on and see how it looks. Now we've got the handle working properly. The door is locked. You can press it unlock. Open the door. Right, from the outside, ready. I can lock the handle. And then just lock it. Okay, so the operation, so that door's locked. So we get unlocked. So bottom there, there's the open door. open door, connecting as it goes down, open the handle, and then that's it, open. You've got the keypad at the top there as well.